All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Wellis New England, and this is a model showcase of our Wellis London model, which is in their CityLine line of hot tubs. Now, Wellis is a very, very special brand. It is a made in Europe brand. They were #1 in Europe for about 20 years, had no presence in the US until we brought them in about 6 years ago. Why did we bring them in? Build quality, energy efficiency, and innovation. These things are just built to a higher degree of engineering and precision than their competitors. And as a result of being made in Europe, the energy efficiency standards that they have to live up to are at a higher level than competitive US brands, which are often not made in the US. But more about Wellis. What makes this tub so special? This is one of our best-selling tubs, and as you can see, it is beautiful. This is the sterling silver and sterling silver inside acrylic with the gray siding. So what makes this tub special? Well, Wellis is really smart, and they essentially make all of their tubs with the same key innovations and basic features. So number one, it's fully insulated. There is nothing that you need to do to winterize this or insulate it. It's ready for winter right out of the box. It has built-in Scandinavian foam. It has an acrylic shell that is triple insulated. We give you an extreme, very thick winter cover to help with insulation, which of course helps with heating and efficiency. And the other nice feature that this has is that it has a composite frame. Wood frames from competitors rot and steel frames rust, but a composite frame does neither. So this tub is what I would call a mid-sized tub. It is just over 7 feet by 7 feet. It's 86 by 86 inches. And the nice thing about this tub is it essentially has all of the same advanced tech features that the top of the line tubs have right there in the corner, except it's just a little smaller. So in other words, you're not losing features or technology or power or efficiency or build quality. It's just a little smaller. So the London is a 6-seat tub total. It's going to have 5 regular seats, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it has the very special lounge seat. It's going to have 40 jets. Now you'll notice a lot of the jets are oversized jets. Okay, and you can actually control where the jet nozzle is going on many of them. So you have control over what the massage, sort of the direction it points in. It has 2 pumps, 6 horsepower total, and crucially, it has a small, low-power, energy-efficient circulation pump. And that's what makes this tub probably our most energy-efficient tub overall, because rather than using a main pump to do any filtering, cycling, filtration, it's going to use that low-power circulation pump. Kind of like a car that has a built-in electric motor or a hybrid system. It doesn't have to use the main motor, it uses the electric power, and that makes it more energy efficient. Same sort of concept with this. So cool features that this tub has. Obviously the energy efficient circulation pump that I said, but its standout feature is this Gecko touchpad. So the touchpad, obviously, as it sounds, you can sort of manipulate it and touch it if it were powered on, but crucially, it comes with a phone app. You can control this tub from anywhere. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this tub has Wi-Fi built in. So that's an awesome feature. Control the tub from anywhere. You're coming home from work at night and you want to make sure that the temp of the tub is at 104 degrees or whatever your preferred temp is. You can pop it up a couple degrees and it'll be heated up by the time you get home. Beyond that, it's also going to have a 2.1 speaker system, so 2 speakers and a subwoofer. They did not skimp on this speaker system, ladies and gentlemen. If you don't have outdoor speakers, this tub can be your outdoor speakers. Trust me when I tell you that. Beyond that, it also is going to have 3 lovely fountain jets. Across the way there, it's going to have a waterfall as well. Just another view of the tub. So as far as filtration, it does have a large filter in that housing right there, but crucially it does have an ultraviolet light. So hourly the water gets filtered through that UV light, and that UV light is going to kill 99.9% of all bacteria. Lower end tubs and even some higher end tubs only have an ozonator. This has one step better. That UV light is going to do even better than your old school ozonator as far as water sanitization. So 2 pumps, 6 horsepower, 40 total jets. You even get some foot jets for the seats over here. You get some hand jets in this tub. You get foot jets for the lounge. And then also you get these awesome downward facing neck jets in this seat. Now beyond that, what makes Wellis tubs really cool is that every single jet you can control on, off, on, off. So in other words, you have control over every single jet you see in this tub. If there's a jet that you don't like, you can turn it off or you can sort of turn it down. From there, you even have air injectors that can add or remove air into the massage, which also changes the way it feels. And then you even have a diverter valve, which can sort of move the power around to different seats. So if you have a full house, you can split the power. If you have someone in this seat here that wants all the power, you can divert it all to them. So this tub is super popular because it kind of hits that mid-range price point, that mid-size, size level, but it still has all the cool advanced tech features, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, speakers, the circulation pump, the UV light, and of course it has that awesome, amazing Wellis build quality that you've come to know. As I said, this is probably our number 2 best-selling tub behind its larger cousin, the Monte Rosa, right there. We do have these available right now. They are on sale, and we have them at Wellis New England. We have them at our sister company, Orange County Pools in New York State, and they are one of my favorite tubs, really. I just love how it has sort of everything you need, nothing you don't, hits that really middle of the road price point, but it has all the great features, super powerful tub, and boy, it is beautiful. All right, guys, that's the model showcase of the Wellis CityLine London 86 by 86, 2 pumps, 1 circ pump, 40 jets, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, touchpad, fountain jets, waterfall, UV light. Awesome. Thanks for watching. Take care.